Reviewing upon the result of high school leaving certificate examination this year, the government of Assam had decided to shut down those schools with 0% passing rate. As many as 34 government schools were enrolled in this list from across 16 districts of the state. The government of Assam had recently announced shutting down of 34 government schools with 0% passing rate very soon in the days to come. These 34 government schools are a compilation from across 16 districts of the state. Now let us hear the number of schools from their respective districts which are listed to shut down. 6 government schools to be shut down in Karbi Anglong district, 5 government schools from Kachar and Jorhat each, 8 government schools from Lakhimpur, Nagaon, Golpara and Dhubri district, Kamrup, Dibrugarh, Golaghat, Hailakandi, West Karbi Anglong and Kokrajhar, with 1 school each had been decided to shut down by the government of Assam. Recently, the Assam government had also decided to shut down about 800 schools which have less than 30 students. Such schools will merge with other schools which have proper strength of students. There are buildings of 1,600 schools in the area and several steps have been taken to improve school infrastructure in the state of Assam during the ongoing Ganotsav Education Festival. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.